Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. My name is Missy. If you'd like to see how I designed this personalized candle in Creative Fabrica, stay tuned for the video. I'm in Creative Fabrica and I will be going to the Shapecloud tool. And in Shapecloud, it is a program where you can manipulate the font or a photo, not a photo, but a shape, and you can put names in the shape in order to personalize an item. So I will delete all the words that come in Creative Fabrica automatically, and then I'll enter my own words. So the very first word is the word that is going to be the biggest. And you have to enter each word individually. Now that I'm in Silhouette Studio, I have changed the size of my design to fit the candle. So now that I'm in Silhouette Studio, I'll go to File, Print, and print the design. I'll check off my settings. So here's the print. And I did use clear sticker paper. And I did get that from Amazon. It comes in 20 sheets and it is in the size 8.5 by 11. I found it easier to cut this out with my scissors instead of the Cricut. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'll clean the design up and I'll come right back. So I have the design printed out. Now I'll just remove the backing. And this is the candle. It's not as easy as it looks. Be careful not to rip anything. And like I said, it's clear, so this is the sticker. You can't see it because it's clear. Oh, I need my bottle holder. Once you place it on the handle, there you go. And this is the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below, will you try Shapecloud in Creative Fabrica? It's a pretty cool tool. And if you do use it, and if you're not a member, I'll place my link down below and you can use my code to get a percentage off of the design. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.